We are now ready to create an asset in Trainz. I'll open Trainz. I am using Trainz 22 SP4. I'll select Manage Content to open the Content Manager. To create an asset, I'll select the Developer menu, then New Content. Under Filters, I'll select Today to see the new asset, which will have the name New Asset. I'll select the asset, right mouse button, and select Open, then Reveal in Finder. The window that opens will contain one file named context.txt. I'll drag into this folder the texture files, texture_0, parameter, and normal, along with the 5 levels of detail files. I will also need a thumbnail file, which is a 180 by 240 pixels JPEG file. I'll eventually change out this file for one containing an image of the asset. But for now, I'll download a generic thumbnail file. A link is provided in the description of this video. I'll open the config.txt file, which contains 2 lines of code. One, a unique asset number assigned to the asset, and the other, a description of the kind of asset I am creating. I'll change unknown to scenery. I'll then add the following lines of code. A link to a file containing this code is provided in the description of this video. Upon closing the config.txt file, I'll right mouse button select the new asset and then select Submit Edits. If all goes well, the asset status should change from Open for Edit to Modified. But that's not always the case. It is easy to have made some mistake along the way, and for the status to say Modified Faulty. And that is the case for Worker 11. Finding the error can often be challenging. Fortunately, the mistake was one I have rarely, if ever, made. In the node tree, I left out a normal map node. With this in place, I was able to save the Blender file as worker_12.blend. Then re-export the FBX files, replace them in the asset folder, and change the names in the config.txt file from 11 to 12, and resubmit the edits. Now all that remains is to create some more interesting and applicable animation for the worker.